Top 7 Small Business Machines to Buy from Alibaba. Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Are you ready to take your small business to the next level? Well, you're in luck, because today, we're diving into the world of Alibaba to uncover the top 7 small business machines that can skyrocket your productivity and profits. First up, we have the chalk-making machine. Say goodbye to buying chalk in bulk. With this nifty machine, you can produce your own chalk for schools, offices, or even for artistic purposes. Next on our list is the manual paper plate-making machine. Perfect for catering businesses or events, this machine churns out eco-friendly paper plates in a snap, reducing your reliance on plastic alternatives. Looking to tap into the booming wellness market? Look no further than the incense stick-making machine. Craft your own soothing scents and package them for sale in no time. Keep your hygiene game strong with the cotton bud stick-making machine. Ideal for pharmacies or beauty supply stores, you can produce your own high-quality cotton buds efficiently. Who doesn't love ice cream? With an ice cream maker machine, you can create unique flavors and delight your customers with delicious frozen treats. Personalization is key in today's market. With a mug press, you can print custom designs on mugs, creating personalized gifts or merchandise for your business. Last but not least, we have the egg crate machine. Perfect for poultry farms or egg suppliers, this machine streamlines the packaging process, ensuring your eggs are protected during transport. There you have it, folks. The top 7 small business machines to buy from Alibaba. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments which machine you're most excited to try. See you.